Welcome to the Palinka Brothers Kitchen. I'm your Palinka brother Akos. The cameraman is a Palinka brother Andor. And today's episode, we do goulash. Wait a minute, I know what you're gonna say. Goulash, isn't that the one with the macaroni and the shite and stuff and the whatever, the beef? What? This is not goulash. This is something like a sloppy ushka or something. It's not goulash. However, we're going to show you how Palinka Brothers will make the goulash. First of all, you have to start with, again, Palinka Brother Holy Trinity. Here it is. You have the salona, the bacon, you have the onions, the onions, and you have the fokhagyma, the garlic, and of course palinka. Yeah, I will do this later. Okay, so we got the bacon because we have to have something to start with. So, you know, Hungarian cooking and Palinka Brother cooking is always the same start. Always the bacon. You make a soup, you have a bacon. You make a goulash, you have a bacon. You have a lecho, you have a bacon. You make a cake, you have a bacon. Doesn't matter. Everything starts with bacon. All right. Ooh, Andor, look. Shushtöröging.
Right away.
I need a fok kanal. All right. Shushtöröging, immediately shushtöröging. This is a good sign. Ooh, this salad is very good. I can smell the smokiness and the beautifulness of the salad right now. Okay. All right. Next, we put it in on the onions. All right, little bit of onions here. Oh, look at this. We make the onions. We cook it up with the bacon. Okay. Cook it up with the bacon. We stir it up, all right? Stir it up. Okay, just like that. Okay, we stir it up. Here we have bacon cooking. We have everything going. Woo! Check it out, nice. All right. Next thing we do, we let this sit a little bit until the juices of the bacon that come out, the salona, and of course the onion start to get a little bit brown, okay? Okay, goulash is starting to come together. We have the two of them now. We gotta make the trinity. This is the Palinka Brothers cooking trinity. You have the bacon, you have the onions, and of course next you have the onions, okay? The folk onions, you know what I mean? The folk onions, is that right? Is it wrong?
Sure.
All right, sure, okay. The folk onions go in here, it's like the folk onion. Okay, oh, look at it, shushtöröging on door. Ooh, it's so good. All right, so we got that. Oh, wait a minute, we forgot something very much. You know what we forgot? Palinka. Oh. That's why I said folk onions. I should have said like garlic. Okay, so we have the chain bridge. By the way, I texted him today. We were talking today on the phone. He said, come on down. We have some more Palinka for you.
Really?
And he has this Palinka in Naples now in Total Wine. If you're in Naples and you're a Magyar, go to Total Wine, get some Palinka.
Nice.
All right, so we got a little Palinka going here. Hey, wife, do you want Palinka?
Yes, please.
Yes, please. Okay, we have to hold on. Stop right. Hold.
Stop. 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 We have to get more palinka. Wait.
All right. Okay, so wife, you want Palinka? Igen, just one igen, that's it? Igen, three igans. It's a good thing I have another Palinka glass behind my back
pocket.
Over here. My pocket. I always carry Palinka, a glass in pocket.
Just in case.
All right, just in case. Okay, Celeste.
Emergency situation.
All right, emergency situations like this. All right, Celeste, here we go. Palinka. Hello. All right. Somebody's calling for Palinka. Okay, things are happening now. Oh, look at, come here. Oh, look at the Holy Trinity. This is beautiful. This is like Holy Trinity. This is like fantastic cooking, okay? All right, so come on. Now we need a little bit of beef. Just a little bit of beef, you know. You don't want to overdo it or anything because we have a little bit of beef, okay? Normally we have more, but this is just a little bit. This is for the goulash. Now the pastorok, you know, Andor, in the field, they would... you know what we didn't? Hold on. Paprika. We gotta do paprika first. Yeah, we gotta do paprika. You know why we have to do paprika? We have to cook it up, the paprika.
Yes.
You have to cook it up. Now, everybody puts the paprika to sprinkle it in. No, don't do that. You want to put it in when the shushtöröging is happening, cooking it up, the paprika, because the flavor of the paprika coming out, okay? All right, so I'm gonna put some paprika in here, Andor. Woo! Just a very little bit, of course, on there. Now it's gonna be shushtöröging in there. Okay, get my fork now. On there, just like so. And we're gonna cook it up. Oh, now it's even becoming more beautiful. Whew! Look at that, the onions, the bacon, the garlic, whew, the paprika. You cook it up just a little bit because when you roasted up the paprika, the flavor's juices come out, okay? All the oils and the paprika and everything come out. And it makes it much more flavorful if you do a little bit of cooking of the paprika before just sprinkling it on the water. That's not good, okay? Now we got the beef on there, small beef here, not very much, 5-6 pounds, doesn't matter. Actually, what is this? I don't even know. How many? Hey, Celeste, 2 pounds, something like this? Okay, all right, whatever. This is very scientific cooking. Make sure you're cooking scientifically because you never want to make a mistake, okay? All right, so now we have all the beef in here, okay? Now we're gonna cook it up, okay? We're gonna get it here, so the beef has to have not pink anymore. It has to be sort of a little bit brown. As we cook it here for the goulash, simple, easy. Never use a ground beef. Always use some beef cubing like this, okay? All right, one more thing I want to do. Remember the salona skin?
Oh yeah.
You have salona skin?
Oh yeah.
Okay, never throw this out. Never ever throw this out. Okay, what you do with this, you throw it in there, okay? And I'll tell you why. Because the smokiness of the salona skin is going to also add flavor to the goulash, all right? So we're going to cooking up the salona skin. It's going to be like hidden in the corner over here, the salona skin, okay? So now we cook it up the marhoush, and then we come back after doing a little more panika. This is so exciting. Goulash happening. It's so the whole house smells fabulous. Okay, next step, okay? Pay attention. Okay, we have the Holy Trinity in there. We have the onion, we have the bacon, and we have the garlic, and then we have now the meat and the paprika, okay? So next step, what we're gonna do, oh, look at this, Andor. Shushing like crazy. So we want some more juices. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna put some bell pepper, okay? Bell pepper. This is like the American green paprika, you know what I mean? That's a good one for stuffing. It's a good one for. We're gonna make a stuffed pepper too next time.
Yeah,
okay,
next
good
time.
idea. All right, so we put it in there, and now we're gonna mix it up. Now here's the secret. I taught you the secret in the goulash recipe. Remember the goulash recipe?
This is weird.
If you want more, not the goulash. That's right. This is goulash. Too much palingo. In the lecho recipe, if you want more juices, okay, what I want you to do is get out the salt, okay. If you want more juices, give it some salt because the pepper and the tomato is going to respond to the salt, okay? There it is, okay, little salt. And I'm gonna put it, well, speaking of pepper, let's put some pepper in on there, check it out. Okay, set pepper, all right. All right, so we got the black pepper, we have the salt, we have the paradichon, and we have the everything in there now. And now what I'm going to do is mix it up. Okay, here is the basis of our first basis of the goulash lavash. It's going to be a lavash at the end, believe it or not, but it's going to be a nice, almost a stewy type of a lavash, just like that. Let's cook it up some more. Oh, look at this goulash lavash is coming. Come on, look at this. Oh, look at it cooking it up. Yo, oh, check out the salona. Look at that. I got the beef, all the colors in there. Now, we're going to top it up. Top it up, okay? Now you can use a beef broth, a chicken broth, a vegetable broth, any kind of. Andor, do you have that broth that we made the other day?
Yeah.
Okay, we use that one, okay? Vegetable one? Okay. All right, so we have a nice vegetable broth, homemade broth. You can use water, everything you want. It depends on how much flavor you like. I'm gonna pour it in here. Oh, look at this. I'm gonna cook it up with the broth. Ooh. All right, now we're gonna get that cooking it up, but now, with the broth, I'm gonna put in the potatoes and I'm gonna put in the carrots, okay? This is gonna be making it a really good goulash lavash, okay? We got the potatoes in there and we got the nice carrots, and I'm gonna mix it up. All right, mixing it up, and we're gonna cook this up, and this is gonna be the basis of our goulash lavash. Now, later, you can put some caraway seeds in there. Now, you remember, Palinka Brother Akos and Andor don't like caraway seeds, but a lot of people do like the caraway seeds, so you can make the caraway seeds powder, or you can put the caraway seeds in there. I just don't like it. So, but you can use that. That's a traditionalish thing. But I want to say something about traditionalish. Andor, that Hungarians didn't have paprika until relatively recently.
Yeah.
So what is traditionalish? Who knows? All right. So I got that cooking it up now. We're gonna get that cooking it up, and we're gonna go continue the goulash lavash. All right, goulash is coming along. Oh, Andor, come check it out. It's looking like goulash lavash. Look at that, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so now I'm gonna put a little chipka in it. Now, last time I made no kedli, I got a lot of heat from the traditionalists that I was using a songatto. They said you're supposed to use a no kedli like on a cutting board or like a spoon or something. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna put a little chipka in here, Andor. I'm gonna put a chipka. All right, just like that, chipka. All right, we're gonna cut it up. Okay, with a little no kedli in here. All right, look at this, nice one. We're gonna make nice chipkas in here. Okay, this is like a no kedli dough, or what do they call it? Galushka? What do they call it? Galushka. I heard galushka, people use galushka for it. I'm gonna make these big fat ones here because I like it the bigger fat here. All right, there it is, nice one. We're making the nice little dough here. It's gonna be good. Okay, all right. Put it in there, put it in there, put it in there. It's finished. That's right, goulash levesh. Come on, come on. Here it is, here it is. Look at that. We have chipka in it. We have the potatoes in it. Looks really good. Let's serve it up. Let's serve it up. Okay, we served it up here. All right, goulash levesh. Hey, my paprika, my palinka wife. Hey, look at this. I have goulash levesh for you. Oh, look at this beautiful goulash levesh. Finom, that's right. See, my Hungarian wife over here, she says finom. All right, so we get, everybody has a little goulash levesh. Oh, don't you wish you were here with this beautiful goulash levesh? Oh, it's killer. Nice, nice. Oh, baby, look at this. We have extra goulash levesh for you. Oh, chipka inside. Potatoes are cooked inside. Looking very, very finom. Okay, so all you traditionalists, look away. Look away. Because I like Daisy so much. I like to put her even on my goulash levesh. I know, don't write me, don't send me postcard. I don't want any of the heat. I'm gonna put a little bit of Daisy on there. A little Daisy. Oh, that's right. Fantastikush. Fantastikush goulash levesh. You know what's missing, Andor?
Yes.
What's that?
Palinka.
Of course. So we have palinka. We have to finish it up. We started off palinka. Ay, ay, ay. All right. All right, palinka. All right, for the Chainbridge Distillery. Bela,
Bela, egészségre.
There's the goulash levesh from the Palinka brothers.